अऊज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। सूरतुल अनाम आया 81 to 85। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। With the name of Allah, the All Merciful, the Very Merciful. وَكَيْفَ أَخَافُ مَا أَشْرَكْتُمْ وَلَا تَخَافُونَ أَنَّكُمْ أَشْرَكْتُمْ بِاللَّهِ مَا لَمْ يُنَزِّلْ بِهِ عَلَيْكُمْ سُلْطَانًا فَأَيُّ الْفَرِيقَيْنِ أَحَقُّ بِالْأَمْنِ إِن كُنتُمْ تَعْلَمُونَ. How can I fear that which you associate with him, while you do not fear your having associated with Allah something for which He did not send down to you any authority? Now, which of the two parties has more right to be in peace? Tell me if you know. الذين آمنوا ولم يلبسوا إيمانهم بظلم أولئك لهم الأمن وهم مهتدون. Those who have believed and have not mixed their faith with injustice are the ones who deserve peace, and it is they who are on the right path. وَتِلْكَ حُجَّتُنَا آتَيْنَاهَا إِبْرَاهِيمَ عَلَى قَوْمِهِ نَرْفَعُ دَرَجَاتٍ مَّن نَّشَاءُ إِنَّ رَبَّكَ حَكِيمٌ عَلِيمٌ. That is the deceived argument from us that we gave to Ibrahim against his people. We raise in ranks whomsoever we will. Surely your Lord is wise knowing. وَوَهَبْنَا لَهُ إِسْحَاقَ وَيَعْقُوبَ كُلًّا هَدَيْنَا وَنُوحًا هَدَيْنَا مِن قَبْلُ وَمِن ذُرِّيَّتِهِ دَاوُودَ وَسُلَيْمَانَ وَأَيُّوبَ وَيُوسُفَ وَمُوسَى وَهَارُونَ وَكَذَلِكَ نَجْزِي الْمُحْسِنِينَ. We bestowed upon him Ishaq and Yaqub, each one of them we guided to the right path. Earlier we guided Nuh and of his progeny, Dawood and Suleiman and Ayyub and Joseph and Musa and Harun. Thus we reward those who are good indeed. وَزَكَرِيَّا وَيَحْيَى وَعِيسَى وَإِلْيَاسَ كُلٌّ مِّنَ الصَّالِحِينَ. And we guided Zachariah and Yahya and Isa and Ilyas. Each one of them was of the righteous. Sadaqallahul Azim.